Hey guys, I got this 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn Edition, wrecked in the front end. I'm going to be doing a rebuild on. Just a little preview of it before. A little bit more damage than the other vehicles I usually do. It's kind of hard to see. Kind of already got it in the garage. See front end, windshield, fender, hood. A little bit of the support and bumper. A couple sensors, headlight, grill. The rest is not too bad. And it also has some airbags that went off. Roof airbag, the windshield, dashboard, steering wheel, all went off. Also does have some bed damage. So I'll be showing how I'm gonna do all this, place all of it. And I'll do it step by step and I'll post it up. But overall, pretty nice truck. A lot of features. Crew cab. So I'll keep you guys posted as the rebuild goes, how everything comes off, how to do everything. As you can see, motor is fine.